I reviewed this shower curtain before. I bought the same thing. This one is a little bit longer than this one should be a little bit longer than the one I bought before, but I still have the same one. These things are easy to wash, easy to maintain. They're nice, thick, and did I mention easy to wash? So you can put this in the washing machine, but make sure you put it on gentle wash with cold water, low temperature. That's what it says on here when it comes to fabric materials. And you guys, I love the feel of it. We do have magnets on it, and I just want to show y'all here, or I'll take a photo, whatever way is better. But it says machine wash on here and all of that good stuff. So just showing y'all all of that and whatever language you can read it in. All right. And if not, I'll take a photo and post it for y'all. This is tall, you guys. So what I ordered was 60 by 84. Once again, this is 84 inches in height and 60 as far as my shower should be 60 inches. When you go to a regular store, you're going to get a standard 6 foot. Again, if you have a tall shower, if you have tall ceilings, and maybe you have a tall husband, somebody who's tall, or tall wife, or both of y'all tall husband, tall wife, tall kids, everyone's tall, and you want to put your shower rod a little bit higher instead of bending down and going under the shower rod. So this is definitely a nice brand that I discovered on Amazon. So definitely nice and budget friendly, you guys. This don't cost that much, all right? But that's about it. Now the holes, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 holes. If you need to know anything else about this, just let me know. I'll try to post up what I can. I'm gonna show y'all the final results on how high I have this in my upstairs bathroom. My upstairs bathroom, I'm gonna make I want to make the shower rod a little bit taller. All right, so I installed the curtain and I actually went up a little bit higher than what I had it. So when I had it, it was about like right here. So I went up like 6 more inches, and we have 9-foot ceilings here, you guys. 9-foot ceiling, and as you can see, I am not that far away. I'm maybe 10 more inches away from the ceiling. All right. So if you're tall and if you're tired of the regular store curtains, you can purchase any height that you, well, not any height, but go on the Amazon site and you can customize the height that you want, whatever limit they have, but you can go up pretty high on it. So definitely check it out. And as you can see, the magnets is irrelevant for me, you guys. I actually could go up a little bit higher if I want to, but I'll leave it like that. All right, you guys. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.